and welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Google Photos all at once. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in with a Google account. Now, on the screen, you can see photos that you backed up previously on that Google account and the photos from your library. Well, all you have to do is scroll up, then find that three-dot menu right below your username. Tap on it, then select month for the layout. So it's gonna make it to select the photos easier. Now you can see its layout has changed into months. All you have to do is tap on that tick option right beside three-dot menu. You have to keep doing it by scrolling down. Then on the bottom of your screen, you can see options like share, add to, delete, backup and favorite. Select delete and tap on delete. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete Google Photos all at once. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.